Hey guys, in this week video, we will look at the crypto weekly news. So we'll look at Bitcoin and what is going on with Bitcoin, and then we will also look at the chart of Bitcoin. And then we will go ahead and look at the news of Cardano and slightly look at the chart of Cardano. So welcome to Chibind Brothers. My name is Joel. If you'd like to learn more about crypto, please allow me to ask you to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell as it helps us with the YouTube algorithm to get our message to a wider audience. Now, let's get into it. First thing that we're going to start with here is we're looking at coin market cap. So as we're looking at coin market cap, we all know Bitcoin is the number one on coin market cap, coming up at about $814 billion. So as we look at this week, Bitcoin is down about 9% so far. And then when we look at Cardano, Cardano is down about 3.57%. So first thing first is we're going to jump into some Bitcoin news. So as we go into the Bitcoin news, I'm going to be reading this article by Reuters. It says China's top regulators ban crypto trading and mining, sending Bitcoin tumbling. So let's start this. It says China's most powerful regulators on Friday intensified a crackdown on cryptocurrencies with a blanket ban on all crypto transaction and mining, hitting Bitcoin and other major coins and pressuring crypto and blockchain related stocks. So guys, this is where this week, China came out with the news of basically banning all cryptocurrency transactions and mining in China. So here it says 10 agencies, including the central bank, financial, security, and foreign exchange regulators, vowed to work together to root out illegal cryptocurrency activity. The first time the Beijing-based regulators have joined forces to explicitly ban all cryptocurrency-related activity. Now, China in May banned financial institutions and payment companies from providing services related to cryptocurrency transactions and issued similar bans in 2013 and 2017. So basically, this started in May. And then in May, it started with these financial institutions, but, people were still finding ways and routes around for having, crypto and doing all these things. But then now they literally just completely banned it. So then it says the repeated prohibition highlight the challenge of closing loopholes and identifying Bitcoin-related transactions, though banks and payments firms says they support the effort. Now, it says here on Friday's statement is the most detailed and expensive yet from the country's main regulators, underscoring Beijing's commitment to suffocating the Chinese crypto market. So guys, basically the Chinese are trying to suffocate this cryptocurrency market, and we're going to be seeing soon exactly why Chinese are doing this, because there is reasons behind why China is doing this. So another reason what the for this is the move comes amid a global cryptocurrency crackdown as governments from Asia to United States threat that privately operated highly volatile digital currency could undermine their control of financial and monetary systems and increase systemic risk, promote financial crime, and hurt investors. Guys, this is the thing right here. It's because they want the control of the financial institution. They want the control of their economy. And they feel like with these crypto assets and stuff, it could actually take away that control. And guys, China, they don't want to let go of that control. And usually some of these people will bring in and say promote financial crime and hurt investors. Listen, yes, it could hurt investors, but let's see, financial crime, are we really gonna say financial crime when we have the big banks like the Morgan Stanley and the Wells Fargo that do criminal activity every day, and these people get they get summoned, billions of dollars that they have to pay because of the criminal activities that they do. And then you're going to say that the financial crimes comes from crypto? Come on. Billions of dollars passes through these banks that are regulated by the SEC. So anyway, let's move on. So here it says, they also worry that mining, the energy intensive computing process through which Bitcoin and other tokens are created, is hurting global environmental goals. Guys, this is one of the reasons, especially in April when we had Elon Musk, who came out and said, guys, because of environmental issues, Tesla will not be taking payments in Bitcoin anymore. So this is a very, important thing. And I think I see China taking, actions on this. I don't know if this is one of the reasons why they're taking action on it, but hey, it's definitely good. For me, I think this is really, really good for Bitcoin. And also, one thing is because we had mining that was so concentrated into China, and so many Bitcoin were going into Chinese hands, and we needed that decentralization. Thanks to China, because we're getting that now. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to move down a little bit quickly, and I'm going to read something else. So let's see here. One of the thing that one of the thing that actually, with Chinese that are doing this is China has also been, creating and working on their own digital one, right? And so they want people in China, by the time the digital one comes out and it's fully operational, they want people in China to be using the digital one, that crypto one. They don't want people to be using all these other things, because that basically takes their power and their control away from how they want to control the people. They want to control the economy, and they want to control the money that the people are transacting in. That's basically the next thing that I was going to read here. I can't find it, but you know what? We're gonna move on to the next thing. So now what we're gonna do, now we're looking at the chart of Bitcoin. Guys, as we're looking at Bitcoin, here I have the chart is in an logarithmic scale. So on a log scale, what do we see? This is the bottom of the market last year in 2020. So in March of 2020, Bitcoin went all the way down, trading in the $4,000 range. And ever since, we see how Bitcoin is following an exponential growth. Guys, this is crazy. Bitcoin has been following this exponential growth. And so what you can see here is it's basically been going up and down in waves, right? So we go up, we come back down, we go up, we come back down, and now we're trying to recover. And I'm pretty sure what's going on here is there is a reason for recovering here. There is, some traction that I'm seeing, and RSI is also, oversold down here. That's pretty good because we are on the day chart. So, I think Bitcoin is going to be recovering. So now it's just a question of when is it going to be recovering? Because I believe we're getting toward the end of this bull market. And so we might actually see some craziness like we saw the last time in 2017, where Bitcoin just went up massively in the last month and then it crashed. So, we're going into October, and guys, it's time to trade responsibly. And I'm going to repeat, guys, it's time to trade responsibly. So what we really need here is for Bitcoin to break out of this channel. So break out of this channel from 50,000 upper bound to this 40,000 lower bound. We need Bitcoin to break out of here, to break above, so we can see that massive price pump. So far right now, the technicals are looking good, right? We see MACD, RSI is oversold, and then we see the 50 moving average in blue crossing above the 200 moving average, which this is a golden cross, so that's good. And hopefully we will get some momentum and the price will start breaking out of this channel. Next, guys, let's go to Cardano, guys. Cardano this week, Cardano announced a partnership with Dish Network and Chainlink. The tie-up with Cardano will allow added support developers working on Cardano blockchain to develop smart contracts. Guys, this is big because, like I said in my last week video, all the critics about Cardano was it doesn't have any of the things that it is advertising for, no value, nothing, no smart contract. Now, y'all can't say that anymore, right? Because smart contracts are here and real things are happening. Cardano is partnering up with Dish, right? And here it says Ethereum blockchain rival Cardano and TV and wireless service provider Dish Network said they've entered a deal to help Dish integrate Cardano blockchain into its telecom business and help provide digital identity services to Dish customers. Guys, this is big and very bullish because now with this, Cardano is actually getting real world application. And with Dish, guys, Dish is a huge network. We're talking millions of people, okay? So Cardano is not just doing things in Africa, but hey, we're in America now. So the next thing here is input-output. Cardano's parent company also said it partners with Chainlink to help Cardano developers build smart contracts for secure decentralized DeFi, decentralized finance applications, or DeFi. So guys, Cardano partnering up with Chainlink will help Cardano with basically the smart contract and the buildup of these decentralized finance, because what Chainlink is a data oracle. So basically, Chainlink will help with the integration of outside data to come into the blockchain and to be used by smart contracts to provide services to people that these decentralized finance can be doing, such as lending protocols and so many other things. So guys, I hope that I provided you with enough value in this video. If that was the case, please allow me to ask you to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, as it helps us with the YouTube algorithm to get our message to a wider audience. With that being said, I'd like to say thank you. And also, if you would like to start investing in the stock market or cryptocurrency market, you can sign up with our Webull, M1 Finance, Coinbase, and BlockFi links in the description below. When you sign up and deposit your money on there, we will both get some monetary value. With that being said, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video on Sunday. Bye.